y'all are sleeping on Lowe's, this is literally the best place to buy exhaust stuff. Buenos dias, amigos. Well, here we are, back at it again. We got the world famous 6.5 turbo diesel, Mr. Snoopy, back behind us. We're gonna do something special today. We are gonna make an Anaconda exhaust out of this flexible foil duct, 4 inches, 8 feet. This is actually gonna be epic. Oh my goodness. See if we can get a little bit more out of it, maybe. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Now let's start seeing how it rolls cold, boys. That was epic. Oh, it was flopping around like a big anaconda. Also, I'm literally dying right now. It is summertime in Texas. I'm actually gonna get heat stroke or something. We may have to keep driving it later tonight. Okay, guys. I just reviewed the footage. That was hilarious. That thing was flopping around like a big anaconda trying to hunt down. Whoa, what is going on with the lighting? Snoopy looks like a ghost back there. Okay, just ignore Ghost Snoopy for a while. But after seeing it, like, just sitting there romping on it, revving on it, we gotta go take it for a drive. Like, it's gonna be crazy. And see, guys, like, you don't need a lot of money to have fun. Like, you know that, you don't need that new PS5 or whatever the new Xbox is to have fun. This HVAC piping and hose clamp was like less than $20 at Lowe's. So, you know, you don't need a lot of money to have fun. You just gotta be creative. So yeah, once it cools down, because right now, look at it, it's so blistering hot, it's making Snoopy look like a ghost. Well, yeah, once it cools down a little, I think we're actually gonna rip it around on the road or something and see if we can roll some more coal and get some more fun shots. Well, guys, that was an absolute blast. Unfortunately, the Anaconda is dead now, but it was fun while it lasted. I have a few other ideas we can do with this exhaust before we completely just get rid of it. But let me know if y'all enjoyed it, and have a good night.